A medical release form is a legal document that authorizes the release of an individual's protected medical information. This form complies with the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. It allows a healthcare provider or other entity to disclose complete protected medical information for review and evaluation concerning a legal claim. This form ensures that healthcare providers and entities comply with HIPAA regulations while releasing an individual's medical records. By signing this form, the patient or legally authorized representative grants permission for the healthcare provider to release their medical records to a designated third party. A common use of a medical release form are for legal claims, insurance claims, transferring care to a new healthcare provider, and for personal reasons for the individual as well. The Printable Medical Release Form (PDF) is a versatile resource that can be used by various individuals in the healthcare system. The form can also be used by legally authorized representatives such as guardians or power of attorney holders who can act on the patient's behalf. To use our medical release form, follow these steps. Download our free medical release form off our Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Once you have the form, carefully read and complete all required fields. This includes providing your personal information, the name and contact information of the designated third party receiving the medical records, and the purpose for which the records are being released. After completing the form, sign and date it in the appropriate fields. If you are signing on behalf of someone else, such as a minor child or an adult who cannot sign, make sure you indicate your legal authority to do so. Submit the completed and signed form to the healthcare provider or an entity that maintains your medical records. Depending on the provider's policies and procedures, this may be done in person, by mail, or electronically. Once the healthcare provider or entity receives the form, they will review it to ensure compliance with HIPAA regulations. If everything is in order, they will release the medical records to the designated third parties securely and confidentially. Here is a sample of our medical release form from our Carepatron platform. To find our medical release form, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keyword to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.